The pump filter inside the CoreDryPRO needs to be changed every 320 hours of runtime. Caution: do not attempt any repairs or maintenance on the CoreDryPRO with the power cord connected to AC power. Make sure it is unplugged first. Consult an InstroTek technician before performing any non-ordinary maintenance, other than oil or filter changes. To remove the pump filter, you will need a 10mm metric socket ratchet or nut driver. Start by turning off the CoreDryPRO and unplugging the unit from the power source. Locate the exhaust port on the left side of the vacuum pump, which is located at the back of the unit. Remove the 4 metric 10mm bolts on the corners of the exhaust cover, and then remove the cover. Loosen the screw located on the retaining bar holding the exhaust filter in place. Remove the bar when loosened. Gently pull the old exhaust filter out by the attached clip above the arrow on the filter. Verify that the rubber O-ring on the opposite side of the filter is removed and not stuck inside the pump. Next, install the new filter, ensuring the narrow end of the filter fits snugly into its socket inside the pump. Replace the retaining bar and tighten the screw. Replace the exhaust cover and 4 bolts, making sure the bolts are sufficiently tightened. Go into the menu and reset the timer for the exhaust filter.